A smart wishlist plugin for more convert is the easiest way to reduce the purchase risk. Normally, purchasing is incredibly high risk. 69% of your users ultimately don't accept this risk. You have to manually find each cancelled purchase and call each person to encourage them. Smart Wishlist plugin automates all of it. After installing it, you'll have a wish list on your WooCommerce store. All hesitant users will add their favorite product to their wish list. This is where the magic of this plugin begins. In the first step, you have two ways to entice more customers. Let's check out the ways of enticing. Way number 1. You can define a discount code to pursue your users to buy their favorite product, and Wishlist plugin will send this offer to them through an automatic email, and it's a piece of cake. And the way number 2. Online shoppers love free shipping. You can give them great motivation to buy their favorite product just by clicking here. Even if you are generous, you can choose both. Now, in the second step, let's look at the building a crowd to send our offer. Ordinary users are not allowed to receive this offer. And this is where your group of loyal customers is selected. You have 3 conditions to make your offer more specific. Number 1, the minimum price of the products in their wish list. Number 2, minimum number of products in their wish list. And number 3, including at least one of your important products. You can select several conditions at the same time, but as advised, don't overdo it. A/B testing can give you a good view here. In the third and last step, prepare your emails for automatic sending. You can use ready content for your email, in which case your email preparation time will be reduced to 1 minute. You are sending a completely personalized and smart offer. Using dynamic content can maximize your email personalization, so don't forget it. All that's left is hitting the save setting button. We are done. Amazing. Congratulations! In only a few minutes, you have automated the difficult process of persuading hesitant users. Thank you to a Smart Wishlist for more converts.